According to Teslarati, U.S. safety regulators have opened a probe into Waymo. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) is investigating 22 incidents involving Waymo's self-driving software. The complaints involve Waymo robotaxis crashing into semi-stationary objects and disobeying traffic laws. The probe affects 444 of Waymo's Jaguar I-Pace vehicles. The NHTSA also opened a similar investigation into Amazon-owned Zoox. This follows 2 incidents where Zoox vehicles exhibited unexpected behavior, leading to collisions with motorcyclists. In March, Waymo was approved to expand driverless testing in San Francisco and Los Angeles. However, the company faces legal challenges from California counties and organizations. A proposed bill could give communities more control over robotaxi operations. These probes come ahead of Tesla's plans to unveil a robotaxi platform in August. Tesla aims to use its full self-driving system for scalable, profitable ride sharing. You are listening to UON News.